What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. We got to go over Baby Doge. We're going to go over the technical analysis for this and also Bitcoin as well. And we're also going to be going over my predictions for when Binance is more than likely going to list Baby Doge. So definitely hit that like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight to it. So let's talk about this. So first of all, we're just going to go a little bit briefly over the technical analysis because not much happened since yesterday. So we don't really have much going on, but we do see that there is actually a formation forming up here. And what this is typically consolidation. So let me go ahead and get this line here. So look at this. This is the consolidation phase that we're in. I definitely think that we're actually going to end this. I like to call it the mini consolidation because, it's like a tiny area consolidation. And typically on paths like this, we always come out on the upside here. So I definitely think something is about to happen. We're probably about to get an increase in the price of Baby Doge. And actually, if we don't get an increase in this price, then we could quite possibly fall below there. And then we'll probably fall back over here to this 1130 area if we do not become bullish out of this. But like I said, this doesn't really matter. It's very short term thinking right there. And, we're just tracking the price, trying to see where we're more than likely going to go. I really want to see it going back up here to this 1250 resistance. But right now, that's probably not where we're going. But hopefully, we can break out and go back up there. But if we don't, I really don't have a problem with that at all because what I'm about to talk about today is definitely going to be what sends Baby Doge like literally up to the moon. So we're going to be talking about this. But anyways, the 4 hour chart, nothing really changed here much either. And like I said, if we can, hold this support here, then eventually we can get up here to 1250. We have a lot of resistance here at 1250. This whole red area is supply and demand of less demand, showing that there's less demand in this whole area. But we already know all that because if you been watching my previous videos, nothing much happened since yesterday. So I'm not going to stay too heavy on this topic right here. But for Bitcoin, what we are seeing right now for Bitcoin is that we're now entering a high activity area. And now we have green right here for our supply and demand area. So this could be indicating that Bitcoin is about to go on a reversal to the upside. But it says high activity, could be high selling, could be high buying. But something that you also want to look at is the oscillator. See, the oscillator is showing here on the green wave here. The green wave means there's purchasing. But notice how that purchasing is slowing down, which is why it says bear for the signal, because that purchasing on the oscillator is slowing down. So we could be going into another bearish move here, and this could be a false breakout here, and we could quite possibly be getting rejected at 19.3K. See, because if that happens, then the next area you really want to watch for, like I said, 18.9K inside of Bitcoin. I'm really looking for that. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, it shows you that even more prevalent. Actually, if you look at it like here, it does show on the oscillator that it says that it was oversold and then the selling is slowing down, which is why it says it's a bullish signal, right? But you still want to watch because, like I said, this could be a false breakout. We could go all the way up here, like I said, to 19.5, 19.3K and still get rejected and then go straight back down to 18.2K. We still haven't hit that 18.2K area ever since we first dropped down on September 22nd. We haven't went back down to that area. So I'm really predicting that we're probably going to end up going back down there like soon. So I'm really waiting for that. And even if it does continue to break out here, 20.1K, I don't see it getting above any of these areas here. It's going to be very hard. Even if it does, you got to look at all the different factors here. Another low activity area here. So it's going to be very hard for Bitcoin to, continue to break out all these levels when everything is going against the odds of Bitcoin. So now that we got all that out the way, I know it was kind of a lot really fast. I just wanted to get all that out the way because, we already went over the technical analysis, not trying to spend too much time talking about the technicals. If you want me to do a whole technical analysis video, we can do like a live stream on that. So let me know in the comments and we can do a live stream on that. I could probably even do one tonight if you all want that. But yeah, let's kind of talk about the overall market here. So everything was moving sideways a little bit, Ethereum trying to do some recovery here, but still everything's still going down. Everything's still bearish. So I really don't see any kind of large movements coming into the market. But let's talk about Baby Doge Binance. So for one, Baby Doge having the Baby Doge swap is so beneficial to Binance. So really, I want to talk about why all this is really good for Baby Doge and Binance because Baby Doge having all these different pairs on Baby Doge swap. Actually, if you go over here and look at it, that's a lot of money flowing through Binance just because of Baby Doge. And they did mention as one of the things for them to actually list the project, they have to be benefiting Binance in some kind of way. And this is like the purest form of benefiting Binance. All these pairs are, paired with Binance coins and Binance in general. So this is eventually going to happen. A lot of people don't think it's going to happen, but eventually it will. And to be quite honest, I predict that around the next time of the next bull market, that's probably when we're going to get this. And see, that's where Bitcoin comes into play because the next bull market starts when Bitcoin starts to become bullish. So that's why we always got to watch Bitcoin inside of all these technical analysis. And that's why I keep shouting this out. Like, look, when you see Bitcoin hitting 10K down here to 14K, 10 to 14K, this whole area here where we have more demand, that's when you're going to start seeing, stuff taking off inside of crypto. But remember, it typically takes a month after Bitcoin takes off in order for all the altcoins to follow right behind it. Like first Bitcoin takes off, and then like a month later or something like that, all the altcoins typically follow along. So what you really want to watch out for this is this 10K to 11K area, because around there, once we hit there, just wait a month or so, wait for Bitcoin to start taking off. We'll trade sideways a little bit from there. Bitcoin starts taking off, and then everything else starts to follow along with it. So I really think that's the projection here for Baby Doge. And whether or not it's going to happen soon, let's just look at the facts here. So inside of 2020, right? The end of 2020, we start going crazy. Everything starts going up. We start having, major pumps all the way from the 12th of October all the way up here until like the 12th of April, right? And then we have some more pumps all the way up to the 2021 high that we actually had. So for a whole month straight, or for a whole year straight, pretty much, we were pumping huge inside of crypto, right? And then boom, we start going down from 2021 here all the way down to 2022 around the same time, right? We've been going down for a whole year. So I'm seeing a constant cycle here, right? So now what I'm probably going to end up seeing here, we're probably going to end up trading sideways or even down a little bit lower, down slowly but surely going down like 10K for like another year or so. I know a lot of people don't want to hear this, but we could be bearish in the whole crypto market for another year. And see, the beautiful part about that is when we actually get down to our support, that's going to be so much more demand for the crypto market, so much more opportunity to continue to rise here. So if we do continue to pull back down here all the way down to that 10K area, then that's probably when we're going to end up seeing the bull market coming. And that could happen for a while, like what if we start to go up a little bit and then we start having these bullish fake outs and then eventually we stop. So I'm really predicting the end of 2023 should be when we become bullish in the crypto market. I know a lot of people don't want to hear it, like taking that long to become bullish, but it could happen like that. It could have taken until the end of 2023, right? It could take that long, or it could take maybe till the beginning of 2023. But sometime next year, I'm thinking towards the end is when we start to see a bullish Bitcoin. And then that's probably when we're also going to end up seeing everything else becoming bullish, such as Baby Doge as well. So when it comes to Baby Doge getting listed to Binance, I truly believe by the end of the year of next year, we should be seeing that Binance listing. And I know it's a long time to wait, but a lot of people are ready for this because I looked up Baby Doge Binance here on Twitter, and you're actually seeing a lot of people talking about this. You're seeing a lot of people trying to push for this, possibly Binance listing here in Baby Doge in the very near future. And I honestly don't think it'll happen until we get into another bull market, because the Baby Doge team, the developers, they're smart. They don't want to get listed during a bear market. It's not going to benefit us that much, and it won't benefit Binance that much either. So it's just going to be best if we just wait until we're bullish inside the whole overall crypto market. So a lot of people, I would say, agree with that. Let me know in the comments if you agree with that. But hey, a lot of people are really trying to push for this. A lot of people are talking about Baby Doge Binance. I've been seeing it all the time. So hopefully we can actually get listed on the Binance, because the whole Baby Doge army wants this. Like, look, when Baby Doge Binance list Baby Dogecoin, the whole Baby Doge army wants this. Everybody wants this. People are making whole flyers for this type of stuff. So I think eventually, I already know CZ Binance sees this. He knows exactly what's happening. And you can also hear when he was talking about how we are all bots. He knows what's happening with the Baby Doge army. He knows we're one of the strongest crypto communities out here, and he knows Baby Doge will not fail. And also another thing that you want to look at over here with Baby Doge Binance. So this is another post that someone made. People are actually making these. A lot of these are fake, but shout out to everybody that's making them, because it helps get the awareness out there. So even though these are fake flyers, it's not like Binance actually created it. It's still nice to see people trying to push it out there, because there's no way that we're gonna actually get on Binance without making it known. So we got to keep pushing for it, and I think it'll be way best. It'll be way better for us if we get listed during a bull market. But yeah, anyways, it's beneficial for them to list us. Like we're bringing so much money through Baby Doge swap to Binance. Like it's definitely really good for us, and it's really good for Binance as well. So I definitely think a lot of money is going to continue to flow through there. And actually, if you look at DeFi Llama over here, you're seeing that 18.64 million is already locked inside of Baby Doge swap. So all good and all's well over there. Also over here, for the most traded meme tokens, you can see in the last 24 hours, Baby Doge at number 3. You got Tama Doge at number 1. I know a lot of people have been talking about Tama Doge, trying to get me to talk about Tama Doge as well. I'll probably make a video on it, but I might make that on my other channel. But yeah, I'm trying to keep most Baby Doge content on this one, and I'm trying to put my other crypto channels or my other crypto stuff on my other channel. That'll be in the link in the first description or the first link in the description. You can go ahead and check that out if you want to. So I'll put all like my other crypto stuff on there, and I'm trying to get like Baby Doge stuff on this channel. But anyways, yeah, we're ranked number 3 here for the most traded meme coins in the last 24 hours. And then on top of that, you can see the most mentioned BNB projects. Baby Doge is also ranked number 3 in the most mentioned. So we're still doing good there. And then also on top of that, yes, most traded projects that haven't been listed on Binance, Quack, RC, or Raka, or Rasa, whatever you want to say, and then Baby Doge. So yeah, these are ones that haven't been listed on Binance that they say. So yeah, we're doing pretty good. I mean, we're up there right now. And yeah, trending worldwide, Baby Doge on Bitcoin LFG. So yes, let's go. Baby Doge is trending on there. And look, we can trend all over the place all we want. I still don't think that we're going to be getting listed on the Binance until we get into that bull market territory for the overall market. But hey, let me know what you all think about this. This is pretty much all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go ahead and bring this to you because a lot of people are really thinking that maybe we can get listed like now. I'm just saying it's more beneficial for us to get listed at the end of next year, whenever we have a bull market, if we even become bullish by the end of next year in the whole overall crypto space. So I'm really hoping that happens like that. But yeah, definitely hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Definitely check out my other channel, link in the description. As always, I'll be back with another video.